Okay, here now with the Vice President of Sales for Anthony Welded Products, Ed Sarky, long time in the industry. How long have you been doing this type of work, Ed?
I've been with Anthony for 9 years, and I've been in the industry about 30.
Perfect. And what are some of the products that Anthony offers for distributors?
Well, Anthony focuses our main for the welding industry is cylinder carts, and we have our load and roll version, which has a front casters on it that makes it very convenient that you don't have to tilt the cart back to move it. So safety directors love that because when you tilt a cart back, it puts all that pressure in the middle of your back. With our load and roll version with the casters, you can pull it, push it, and so you take all of that out of, it's not a concern for hurting your back.
All right, perfect. Anything new that maybe came out this year or that's going to be coming out next year that you want to talk about?
Well, Anthony, we focus on all different segments. We get into medical, we get into the heavy industrial operations, and we have a new doer cart that we've just come out with. We are focusing on some new medical carts, some different products that we're looking at for asset business as well.
All right, very good. There you go. Quick update from Ed Sarky at Anthony. Thank you, Ed, for everything they do. Shout out to Frank at home. I know he's going to be watching this. And we love you, Frank, and hope that you're doing well. And good to see you, Ed.
Thanks, Tim. I appreciate it.